Hello, I've recently discovered the most delightful thing, Termux. So I thought I would do some light programming just on my phone because it's 2022. Uh, it's been pretty fun. Okay, yeah, so I've already got my vimrc here, and I got my website files and static site generator on my phone, so we can do some development. I picked out some light cruft that I wanted to touch up. It's sort of like an old and janky static site generator. So there's like a few things that are objectively shit. So I'll work on changing them. So yeah, let's fire up Vim in a exhibit, which is what I call my static site generator. So let's see. Let's get the website running so we can open the terminal. So yeah, I haven't put Tmux on my phone yet, so we can just run the terminal in Vim because it's 2022. Yeah, so let's get the website running. So I have this little handy script that runs the site. What do I call it? It's like well, I can just click tab. Let's see. I think it's auto build. Yeah, so auto build not only runs a little web server, but it also checks for the website to change. And whenever it changes, it rebuilds the site. So that's really nice. Okay, now we can go to my web browser. Let's go to localhost 8070. And yeah, here you can see my site, my most recent post, cows are bigger than chickens. Yeah, so unfortunately, I don't have the assets on my phone because I haven't been able to get AWS or wget to work on Termux. I think I need to switch to like some F-Droid build. Okay, but yeah, here you can see the output from the site. Okay. So what change did I want to make? Oh, I gotta control W J. Yeah, okay. And then okay. So I wanted to I have all these paths that are done relatively when they should really be absolute paths. So I was just going to make that change. So if we go to my main build thing, so let's see, it's scripts slash make, which is not probably a really good name. Okay, yeah. So I keep track of the depth, which is like how deep a file is, but oh yeah, I usually don't have incremental search on. I don't really like it. I gotta turn that off. Yeah, so I use this. How do I use this? Let's open up a file in my personal site. So I think in the templates, I have like my socials. Socials? Yeah. Oh, I should probably call it social/html. So yeah, I all these things that have depth should just be absolute paths. So I was just gonna make that change. So yeah, I'll make the change on my site and it shouldn't change anything. And then I'll make the change to just not track depth in the static site generator. So let's find things. So yeah, I think some of these things probably have to be escaped. So I think $ matches the end of line, so I have to escape that. Yeah, it's going to be a little hard to find the special characters. Okay, there's $. Okay, I can see it increment. Okay, I guess incremental search actually is useful because now I can see that it is correctly matching it. That's good. So yeah, I can just find those. And oh, there's no left arrow. um. Okay. Oh yeah, I thought there was a dot that I needed to delete, but there's actually not. Okay, so this is all good, and I just escaped the dot. Match the dot. And then I just want to replace all that with nothing. Okay. So that got rid of those. Okay, so I think that should be good. That should just work. I guess this is the problem with not having assets on my site, which is like if something were to break, we wouldn't be able to see it here. Oh, let's do that trailing line as well. Okay, and I need to find where else depth occurs. So let's open up our handy dandy Vim terminal again. and just search for depth. So grep dash R. I think I have to escape the $ for depth here too. I'll just search for that. It should be unique enough. And let's search here. Okay. So where else does it appear? Oh, right. I made this scrap file where I recorded it. I can just remove scrap though. Yeah. Oh yeah, notice I have Z shell, so I have my familiar vim commands to use the terminal. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so in the side menu there are some as well. So let's go there. So I'm done editing that. Let's edit the side menu. Oh yeah, it's all relative to. I should have 2 instances of vim. I should be using Termux. Okay, so let's edit. Where is it? It's templates, comp, side menu. And I can just run the same command that I used before. Yeah, that should work. Okay. Any trailing lines I want to delete here? No, I guess not this time. So I'll write that. Okay, so here I think there are some things I should check. I can verify that it worked because undo. Yeah, I can just check to make sure like the podcast link still works. So so I want to redo that. Control R. Make sure it's written. Oh yeah, I guess it's already written. Okay, and then yeah, so if we go back to the other terminal, you can see that it detected these templates were modified and it rebuilt. So now we can go back to the browser, refresh the page. So when I'm on Ubuntu, I actually have this little xdo tool thing that refreshes it automatically, but that doesn't work on Android. Okay, let's just make sure the blog button still works. Yeah, here's my blog, podcast, things I've read. Okay, all seem to be working. Nice. It's current year. It's current year, and we're developing on our Android phone. Okay, so let's rerun the grep and see if there's any other depths I want to kill. And the header, that makes sense. Let's get rid of those two. Right. Edit / personal site templates header. Is it? Oh, comp header. Okay, I can rerun the command. Oh, let's try something. Oh no, that's a mistake. I rebound JK to like go into normal mode on the command line, but I'll just press up. What I want to do, I just want to rerun that. Okay. Let's see what else there is. In the blog template, there's some JavaScript that's uses the depth unnecessarily. I probably shouldn't be going file by file. There's actually probably like a way to just find replace. I guess like, is this what sed is for, or awk? Those are some things that I've never really learned how to use, perhaps to my detriment. Just seems like too much, but it definitely seems like I'm doing an operation that there's probably actually a command line utility to do for all the files in a batch job. Okay. Hopefully the comments still work. Oh yeah, I need to change the comments in a number of ways. That might be another thing that's good to do on stream. I need to like make it so I get notifications when people make comments on my website, and I need to I also need to make it so I need to delete the comment when someone makes a comment, because right now you post a comment, it doesn't actually look like anything changed, so people like just post again, but it just posts more, which is bad. Okay, so I guess I used it some in this one blog post, I guess in a lot of my magic posts. So I guess all the ones where I refer to collapsible. It's annoying. Yeah, go do that. I don't know why Control J doesn't work in the terminal. It's sort of annoying that I have to hit the prefix. Okay, let's try something. So I'll find the edit, and then I can go. Yeah, now I can edit it. So back, change to the end of the line, and oh, I probably don't get tab completion though if I do it this way. This is like not faster. But where am I? Well, I'll try tabbing. Oh, I do get tab completion. Oh, that's very nice. Okay. Wait, but it's not actually completing. Do I need to hit like Control N? Oh, okay. Um, that's very powerful. Okay, and then blog. Wait, so tab. Okay. And then the Strixhaven one, STX. Okay, I can just run that. Okay. And now I can run the same command. Yeah, just have it once. Write that. Okay, and now when I go up, edit that. Go back, change in word. This is like not really saving keystrokes. SNC. Do it here too. Doot. And I did it in KHM as well. That doesn't work. Oh. Okay. Oh, and then I need to actually run the command. Doot. Okay, and then was there one other? Let's see. That might be all. Nice. Okay, so that's good. Oh yeah, let's make sure collapsible works on those blog posts. So we go back. So yeah, I write these limited reviews, and one thing is common rigging. Okay, this is the JavaScript that makes things open and close, and I see images aren't there, but that's okay. Okay, so I think that's the change to the personal site I wanted to make. So let's look at the git status. Oh wait, let's use I guess I was going to say we should use fugitive, but I guess we actually can't because we're in the exhibit set, not the personal site directory. So let's just run git status. Let's add all. Let's have to scroll up. So we can go into normal mode. Scroll up. Hi. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Yeah, so let's just add everything in template and content and then commit that. Oh, yeah, not quit. To go back into server mode, just press yeah. So git add template blog /star. Cannot open directly. Oh, sorry. That should be content. Oh yeah. Oh, it's trying to autocomplete it. Okay, and then git add everything in template. Let's check everything got added. Okay, sweet. And now let's just git commit -m. So what's the change? We use absolute instead of relative paths. I don't get like auto-suggested words in Termux like I would when I'm texting. I'm kind of missing that. Fatal. Oh. Okay, I guess I have to set up my git config. I don't really want to do that while I'm recording, just in case I mess up. or like I guess I need to know my password. Okay, well I'll just commit after the stream. So, but yeah, let's just make the change to exhibit as well. So I'm already in make. So now I just don't need to track depth anymore. I can just delete all that. So I don't need that. Where's depth tracked? Oh yeah, depth is taken as an argument. Is it used anywhere besides that one thing? Let's find out. So where oh, okay. So yeah, it's passed. It's kept track of, and is passed in that way, but it's actually not needed for anything now. So let's just delete that and go back to where we were. What? I'm trying to. I don't know why that didn't work. Okay, yeah, there's the other depth. Yeah, I really actually don't like incremental search. I don't know why people prefer it. I guess when you get used to it, it's maybe more natural. Okay, we can write that. And let's just make sure the script still runs. So I'll just make a write here, just to trigger this to be reran, and looks like the stack site generator survived that change. Okay, so now I can get rid of one of the to-dos I left for myself. Remove unused tags. Oh yeah, there's actually a bunch of other tags that I believe are unused. Let's double check they're unused before I delete them. But I think I can also get rid of. Yeah, so originally I had like arrows that went to the next and previous blog, like some kind of web comic. But I don't think anyone's interested in just reading all my blogs in a row. So I just like kind of deleted them, and now they're not used. So I think I can just delete them. But let's make sure that that they're not used somewhere. I think I called it prev. Let's make sure I actually did call it prev. And let's check for next too. Did I call it next or next? Okay. Looks like prev is not appearing. Let's make sure I actually called it prev in here. Oh, did I call it previous? I guess that makes more sense. Okay, so yeah, next never appears. Let's just make sure. Well, I guess prev is just a subset of previous. So, okay, it looks like I don't need any of this anymore. Yeah, so this is just like setting next and previous, like this whole loop. That's all it's doing. So I can delete that. So what is that? It's 10 dd. Wait, is that too much? No, I guess that's just right. Yeah, 10 dd. Okay. Sort by date equals false. So what do I use this sort by date for? Oh, okay. So this is actually important because when I make the site, I want it to be sorted by date. So when you go to my blogs, you see the newest ones first. So that needs to stay. Okay, and then it recursively adds. So what is this method doing now? I guess now the only thing it's doing is letting blogs know what their index is, like what's keeping track of them, and sorting them in like the indexes array of them. Okay, those are both important things. Okay, so I guess but getting rid of next and previous was good. So I delete my to do, and okay, so let's look at git status. Now we can use fugitive because we're in this directory. Oh yeah, I made a change to auto build because it doesn't work on Android without the change, but I don't want to commit that. I added a to do to content, but I want to commit that. So I just want to add make, which I think when you're in the file, you can just git add. Maybe git add dot. I don't want to add everything by accident. Now just double check the status. Okay. I guess it added everything. I didn't want that. I guess I should have specified the name. So let's say git. What is it? It told me what the command was in the status menu. I have to look again. It was git restore staged. Okay. Restore staged. I should probably just be copying and pasting it, actually. Git restore stage dash staged. Yeah, sort of a fun to be typing it out. And what were the things? It was like a content, or not content, scripts. Scripts, and then content needs to be restored staged, and what's the other one? Oh yeah, it was like auto builds. Okay. Yeah, so I go from like normal mode to insert mode to okay. And now let's make sure we'll commit just the one thing. Okay, yeah, it's just make. Okay, so let's commit that. Git commit. What? Did not do it? What did it say when I try to commit? Oh, okay. Oh, I thought I... Okay, I can't even make a commit. I thought I just gonna push. Okay, yeah, okay. So I made the changes I want, and I'll just I guess that's it for this recording. I'll add my Git credentials to my phone and then push them out. Thanks for watching. I think this is how I'm gonna do all my programming in the future. I don't know why I need to get out of bed and use a keyboard, and this is pretty delightful.